want to explore 2 hexagrams, and it might take a few videos to get through this, but here right now, let's just introduce the basic idea. We have hexagram 9, which is called small nourisher, and hexagram 10, which is called stepping or treading. And what you get here is both of these hexagrams contain the heaven element. And the element of heaven is represented by 3 solid lines. You'll see on this first one, it's air above, heaven below. And then we have heaven above and water below. So heaven, this sort of primal creative force of the universe, its unbridled energy is being tamed by the air above it and the water below it. And I think that taming is the appropriate way to think about this, because air and water together have this sort of discursive relationship, an in and out breath, the thinking and acting inquiry discourse. I say that because air is this meditative, it's associated with the mind and the intellect and thought. It's an in-breath. It's associated with our breath. And water is associated with social relationships, emotions, creative expressions, these ways that we sort of demonstrate ourselves out into the world. And, you can literally see yourself reflecting in it. And so that's inward reflection and outward reflection sort of happening in these two. And if you think of it that way, you have this inward flow, air pushing things in through the heaven trigrams, and then the water is this outpouring of things from it. And that in and out breath relationship is going to be at play on many levels as I further analyze these 2 hexagrams. The next 2 videos will probably be talking about each of them individually, and then we'll bring them back together to see what teaching they have as a pair.